In this video, I will show you how to use the Hook service, which is a part of the Destination Earth Data Lake. The Hook service provides predefined methods that allow users to perform near data processing. It also allows data to be harvested from federated data providers using a data harvest workflow. The output data from specific processing or harvested data can be stored in temporary storage or users' private S3 bucket. The service uses an OData. All possible endpoints are documented at odp.data.destination-earth.eu/odata/docs. To run some Hook workflows, we can use the predefined authentication script. The script is available on our GitHub. You can use it in your work with the Hook service. There is also a tutorial on GitHub on how to use data harvesting, one of the Hook workflows. The scripts are saved as Jupyter Notebook files, so we can go into the notebook and run the data harvest workflow. Jupyter Notebook. Every DESP user has an access to Jupyter Notebook. You can use DESP or DEDL credentials. We need to go to jupyter.central.data.destination-earth.eu and log in. After logging in, we select the server option as Jupyter Lab and wait for it to initialize. Jupyter Notebook allows us to create a new script or upload existed one. We can upload pre-prepared script based on tutorial on GitHub. The script contains data harvest workflow. Temporary order. We can run the script step by step. The first step imports required dependencies. To run the script, press Ctrl+Enter. The second one contains methods retrieve the token required to run the workflow. In the third step, we provide the credentials for our DESP user. Status 200 means that the token was retrieved correctly. In the next one, we can check information about data harvest workflow. Endpoint shows us information about a specific workflow and also all possible workflow options. In our case, we want to use output storage as temporary, which means we don't need to provide any additional information and source type as DESP. The DESP source requires additional parameters with username, password, and collection. Now we can create a workflow body. We use data harvest workflow. I've selected a product from the CEMS_Glofers_forecast collection. The workflow options are provided. Username and password are provided before for token. With created order body, we can place an order calling post on batch order with the body. The response, 201, says that the order has been placed correctly, and we can see the information provided about the workflow and the current status. The current status is queued, which means that the order is waiting to be processed. We can also check the status of specific items. In our case, we have an item because we specified a product name in the order. The download link where the finished output product will be saved is currently empty. After some time, we can check the status again and see that the item is ready and a download link is available. In our case, I checked after 2 minutes, but it depends on the specific collection and product. Temporary storage means that the product will be stored for the next 14 days, during which time it will be available for download. After 2 weeks, the product will be removed. Private order. We can also order products and put them in the private bucket. Instructions on how to create a private bucket are already in the islet service tutorial. We want to know what options we need to save the output in the private bucket. We can check this in the workflow endpoint. As we can see, for private storage we need endpoint URL, access key, secret key, and path. When creating the body, we need to add options specific to private output. We can also modify the collection, this time adding 2 products for processing. Again, we create an order, and we have 2 items in the output. The current order status is queued, and items are in progress. After some time, we can check the status again and see if the item is ready in the private storage. In our case, I checked after 2 minutes, but it depends on the specific collection and product. Private storage means that the product is stored in the bucket and can't be removed at any time. That's the reason that download link is empty.